how to use our iJournal to set goals, to reach goals, to keep motivated to reach those goals. Now, obviously, creativity speaks to our subconscious, and we keep creating that. There's even the little goal process, reaching that goal, the end result, what it will look like, and if you can emotionally connect to your image, it's going to be so much more motivational. It's going to help you to reach your goal, and whatever it may be. Maybe it's an exercise goal, like have nicer legs, and it can be something about thriving and living more. It can be small goals, big goals, about the thoughts that you're thinking. Sometimes we overcomplicate things, and it can be fun. It can be creative in your journal, but step by step, it will help you to reach that goal because your journal is progressive with you. It will help you to keep going for that goal, seeing it, creating every step of the way. What goal? What can I? What victory did I have that I can celebrate? What is the next step for me? And creating it and making it visual. So follow me for more art journaling tips and techniques.